Hi all, welcome to video 16 of genai using langchain and databricks playlist. So in last video 15, we have seen how to work practically with prompt template, right? We have seen, we have done the hands-on, right? And that is very important to understand this video, right? So all the videos in this playlist are in sequential order, right? If you want to understand this one, you have to understand the previous video, okay? Now what we will do, we will make the prompt template reusable. Now what we will do, we will store a prompt template in another notebook, right? Another databricks notebook, right? And if we do this, the prompt template we can reuse as many times as we want, right? And this is the basically the production project setup, right? That's how we configure our production projects. Okay, for example, in our playlist, what we have done, all the installations we have kept in separate notebook, in installations notebook, right? So whatever installations we have to add, we will keep in installation notebook. We are not going to keep everything in our master notebook. Okay, in the same way, we are going to create one notebook, and that notebook in that notebook I am going to store my first prompt template. So we can have in a project multiple prompt templates we can store in one notebook. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create one notebook. Okay, let me name this notebook. This is how we, name the notebook: reusable prompt templates. Right. This is new notebook I'm creating within the same folder. Right. If you see within the same folder, I'm creating the new notebook. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just store the prompt template as a JSON here. Okay. So what I can do, topic prompt config, right? Let me put it as topic prompt config. Okay, I am putting this as JSON. Okay, input variables. Okay, input variables, input variables. I will keep it as whatever we had in our previous video. Okay, so let me take you to the previous video. Just a second. Yeah. Okay, I'm just making this serverless cluster on. Okay, I had description option, topic, and number of lines, right? Description option, topic, and number of lines. Same I'm going to put here. Okay, description option, topic, okay, and number of lines. Fine. This is the first one. Okay, what I have to do, the name I have to put like this. Okay, and then this way. Okay, the next one is template. Template, right? Now in template, what I'll write or whatever I have here, right? Give me the description and this thing. Okay. Okay. This way. Okay. Maybe what I can do, I can, instead of description option, let's put, description type, right? That is fine. Anything is fine. Description type, topic name, and number of lines. Okay. And this reusable prompt template I have prepared. Okay. Now what I have done here, I have ran the installations, okay, in my master notebook. I'll just run the my reusable prompt template notebook also, right? Reusable prompt templates, reusable prompt templates, right? So that whatever I have defined in this reusable prompt templates notebook is available in my master notebook for consumption, right? Simple. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will design a prompt template based on the JSON defined, right? Based on whatever JSON we have defined in the another notebook. Okay. So let me do first imports from langchain core dot prompts, langchain core dot prompts. Okay. Import prompt template. Okay. Then I think I'll have to import the model also. Okay. This one, chat databricks, right? Let me just copy it here as it is. Okay, and I'll create the variable for this chat model to use. Okay, chat model to use. So we have done the setup we are needing. Okay, now what I have to do, let me define topic prompt template equals to prompt template, prompt template. Okay. And what I have to do, input variables, from where I'll be taking input variables. Input variables I'll be referencing from this topic prompt config, right? Topic prompt config. Okay. Topic prompt config, and the name of the item is input variables, right? Input variables, right? And template I am referencing from where? Template equals to again topic prompt complete topic prompt config and a template, right? Topic prompt config and a template, right? Whatever template I have defined here. So this way I have created my prompt template. Okay. Now we will use widgets, same whatever we have defined in the previous video, right? So we will first define the widgets. Okay. Let me run this, right? You can put it in the same shell, that is also fine. Okay. And let me define the widgets. Okay. And after the widgets, what I'll do, I'll just store the values in one variable. Simple, as simple as that, right? Storing the values here, desc type, right? Now after this, you know the process. What we will do, we will invoke the chat databricks. We will send this prompt to LLM, and LLM will give us the output, right? This code we have already written. Okay. Where is that? Chain. I'll first create the chain, right? And then results. Okay. Let me do that, right? Topic prompt template, is that the correct topic prompt template, and chat model to use. Chat model to use. There is nothing like description option. It is description type. Is that correct? Description option is description type. What I have in the prompt? Input variables. What I have? Description type. Description type, topic, and number of lines, right? Description type. This is description type, topic, and number of lines, right? And what I'll do? Print results dot content. Results dot content. Let's run this. See, right? We have got the details. So we have asked number of lines. What we have said is, let's say 3. Let me ask for 2, and let me ask the description of LLM, for example, right? So if you see, as soon as I change the values, right, these variables get automatically updated, right? And if I hit this again, if I invoke the LLM again, right, see, it has given me the 2-liner short description of LLM, right? So this is how in production projects, in live projects, we can make use. Let me just remove these parameters so that I'll get the full notebook view. Full notebook view. If you want to remove the left also, you can toggle navigation, right? So you have full notebook view. Okay. So what we have done here, first step, I have created a new notebook in the same folder. I have defined a topic prompt config JSON, where I have stored input variables, okay, and where I have stored the template also, okay. What I have done, I have just referenced all the installations in my master notebook, and also reusable prompt templates, right? Whatever templates in this notebook, okay, so that whatever is available in installations notebook, whatever is available in this reusable prompt templates notebook, I'll be able to reference in my master notebook, right? These are the imports. You all know we are doing from a lot of time now. Chat model to use. We are using the same chat model, free chat model, free, learn free. Don't spend your money in learning. Everything is available at either free of cost or in small amount, right? In very small amount. You don't need to spend in lakhs or something. Okay. Few things, the quality learning is available on YouTube, right? Free. I'm not saying only my channel. There are n number of good channels, and mine also. And there are Udemy courses which are available in thousands, right? 1k, 2k. You don't need to spend some 80, 90k or 1 lakh to learn, best learn the quality content. Okay. Fine. So what I have done, I have defined traffic prompt template. Prompt template input variables I have reference from the JSON I have defined in another notebook. Template also have reference from the JSON. This is the JSON I have reference from, I have defined in the another notebook, right? This is how I define the widgets, right? Widgets are there to take the value from user, right? This is what we are doing, let's say doing some development and testing. That's why we are providing the values over here, right? I think you have see providing the values over here, okay? But in live pipelines, user will add the parameter, right? Maybe we can pass them dynamically or we can pass while running the pipeline, and these values will be stored in these three variables, okay? And these three variables I'm passing when I'm generating results. Before that, I'm creating a chain. Now I have told you the beauty of chain is the output of first item, right? Or output of first, let's say, member of the chain is passed to second member of chain automatically, right? You don't need to do anything, right, for that. And results, I have invoked the topic chain, okay, and I have printed the results, right? Results dot content, okay. Now if I want directly to use result dot content, what I'll do, I'll use string output parser, okay. So okay, the parser, sorry, that parser is going to be the next concept, right? I'll let you know that. But okay, I have just told you, if you don't want to use result dot content, we are going to use string output parser. But what is that in detail, we are going to learn in upcoming videos, right? Fine, that's all for this one. I hope you are enjoying this playlist. Let me know your feedback in comment section, or you can connect me over LinkedIn also. You can message me over LinkedIn as well, right? That's all for this one. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.